Welcome back to another episode on the MAURO'S film channel. Today we shall be going to another amazing app from RETOUCH4ME, and it's called Adams. And simple as it is, Adams is a perfect choice for retouching, management and culling your complete portfolio that you shot for an editorial, commercial or actual wedding. And you will say, okay, but there are other apps that are doing the same. Well, Adams incorporates all the RETOUCH4ME plugins inside of the actual panel, and then you can edit the complete photos in just one click with all the plugins applied. And that's an amazing thing. Integrating all the plugins in a single application, making it easy to retouch hundreds of photos with any number of plugins in a few clicks. While the Adams plugin is actually free, if you want to actually download and actually get all the plugins to actually edit photos, you will be able to do so on the first link in the description. And of course, this episode is sponsored by RETOUCH4ME. So let's get inside and understand all the benefits of the RETOUCH4ME Adams. Okay, so we have launched the Adams app and we are inside of the main screen. On the left side, we'll find all the plugins available for purchase separately, and they will be loaded automatically inside Adams. If you don't have an activated plugin, you will clearly have a noted activation required. So with this app, you will be able to batch process an immense variety of photos, selecting your dedicated plugins to be applied on the photos and export them with the correction that you wanted. As I have all the plugins, I can simultaneously apply all the plugins in one single photo and export them completely with the plugins on. And actually I can do that with multiple photos, let's say 100. You will be able to make an AI detection or select for yourself the amount of portrait body visible in the frame, and select the blending from 0 to 100 for all the presets. Also select the checkmark or only skin to affect only skin areas. For some of the selected plugins like clean backdrop and dust, you will be able to select the dirt and dust side. Respectively, you are able to select the dedicated plugin and what it does. So let's make a test and select one of my photos from the last week trip with my campervan on the Dolomites. So we will be processing it with almost all plugins, leaving the dust and clean backdrop plugins off, because this is an outdoor picture. Simple as that. Press export with correction and the actual photo will be processed with all the plugins applied. Just look at the difference before and after. Okay, so let's go now for a photo shoot that I done for my wife, and we took a couple of photos. And yes, we want all of them to be edited the same with all the same plugins. And I will select all 6 of the photos to be batch processed. And there you go, all the 6 pictures will be processed with all the plugins that I have selected. And yes, you can do it with 100, 200, any type of photos and scenarios that you imagine of. And we have another panel on the left side of the Adams app. On the left side we have the panel for the grouping. Similar or processed, an amount of similarity. You can select the date created, so only specific range dates photos will be shown and processed. Put the rating with the image features and select the type of picture to be shown. We have a wide range of options: human, face, over or underexposed, NSV, plain background, texture background, bad pose, motion blur, bad light, kissing or outdoor. Also, you'll be able to select what photos will be shown or removed by the face feature in the actual selection for the photos. Select the folders. This AI tool is pretty amazing. So if you're in the market for a vast variety of batch processing photos, editorials, weddings, or a large amount of commercial work that have to be done in a short way, the RETOUCH4ME Adams is your perfect choice. The first link in the description will guide you straight to the download site for RETOUCH4ME Adams. And don't forget, using my discount code you get amazing discounts on the complete RETOUCH4ME page. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, I will be happy to answer to all them. Till my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bell icon to get notified every time I make new video, and see you on my next one.